Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Back up everything and confirm the backup works. Once done, enable developer options, turn on USB debugging and OEM unlocking if the device supports it, because you will need bootloader access. Make sure ADB and Fastboot are installed on your computer. You will use them immediately. Download the official factory image that matches your exact model and carrier variant. Mismatches can brick the phone. Verify the image checksum so you know the file is intact before continuing. You now unlock the bootloader and prepare to flash the older build. Reboot the device to the bootloader using the button combo or a DB reboot bootloader. Then run the appropriate fastboot unlock command and confirm on screen unlocking wipes the phone, which is why you backed up. After unlock, follow the factory image instructions. Either run the provided flashall script or manually flash boot, system, vendor, and other partitions with fastboot flash commands. Make sure to flash the right slot if using a /B devices and wait for each command to finish. Finish by rebooting and letting the system optimize apps. This can take several minutes. You should restore your data after confirming the older Android version is stable. Relock the bootloader only if you want warranty-style protection and you're sure everything works. If you hit a boot loop or instability, do a factory reset and reflash the correct factory image. That fixes most issues. If flashing repeatedly fails, check cable, USB drivers, and model mismatch. Use the device-specific community guide or service center as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.